Hopefully it works how I envision it.
Go fast, go fast. Your armpit. You're missing. Hey, Princess Squad!
It's T.
And Sprinkles, and today, what are we doing today, T?
We are doing a cake challenge. It's gonna be T versus Sprinkle, but there's a little twist because we saw the other night on TikTok that there was this cool cake thing. It was like a doll dress, and you have this tube in there, and once you pull up the tube, all of the sprinkles and all of the icing like just kind of melts down to make this pretty dress. And we're kind of not sure if it actually works or not. So it's kind of like testing a viral TikTok life hack or food hack to see if it works, and doing a cake challenge at the same time because we're gonna see who's gonna make the prettier princess or doll dress. Professional princess over here.
Professional, not princess over here.
But yeah, let's see how it goes. We have to bake our cake first. So I'm gonna be doing strawberry kind of funfetti cake over here.
And I'm going to do a devil's food chocolate.
So in order to make this, it was like kind of stacked up. So we have to make a few circle pancakes so we can cut out the dress shape. So enough talking, let's just start baking to see who makes the prettier one.
Me. I don't know, I'm kind of not good at baking.
I'm okay.
Can you help me?
No, you do yourself. It's a contest.
Oh, okay. Next time you need help, I'm not
gonna need help.
Oh, she brave today.
I got this.
Okay.
I'm going to win this challenge today, you guys.
Oh yeah.
That makes it prettier.
Well, I bet you're gonna race. You gonna race? Yeah.
But I have 4 eggs. You only have 3.
How did you know I was about to say this race?
Okay, hey, hold on. Ah! You know what?
What in? Where you at? I'm working on it, guys.
I have 4 eggs to begin with. Hot
But
mess.
you already started before.
Whatever. And now we're going to add our oil and then our water. Next, it's time to mix.
Okay, I think I'm about all done here.
Get you a napkin, take some drips.
This smells so good.
All right, now we're just gonna spray these pans. 2 for me, none for you. Just kidding.
Oh, thank you. Can you put this
Yeah, I can do
here?
that.
Thank you.
And then we're gonna pour this in. This is like what I'm really bad about because I make like a mess. Okay, so we're going to pour this in.
Okay, I'm gonna pour it in. Like halfway?
Like how? Oh, why am I telling you? It's a contest. a full. Make it full. All the way to the top.
I stop where you stop. Now we're gonna put all these in the oven. All right, on to the next step. We didn't have the little clear tube that they had, so we had to improvise.
So one day I was drinking some soda and I was like, hey, wait a minute. This is a clear tube. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna cut one in here, one in here to make that clear tube, and hopefully it works.
I really hope so.
All right, so here's our tube. We just gotta clean it up and really, I think it's gonna work, you guys. I think it's gonna work. Okay, so 2 of each of our cake is done. The other 4 is currently baking, but we can totally get started. Hey, come closer. Let me tell you my game plan. So my game plan. I'll just tell everybody. So I think the best way to do it is all these circles. Is to cut like a big one and then one that's smaller,
and then
smaller
keep
and
going
smaller. So that way it kind of has that kind of gown look, and then we can just shave that up. What am I telling you?
That is a really good idea.
Ugh.
Thank you for telling me.
Oh my goodness. Okay, so I'm just gonna cut like a big one.
Don't cut your nails.
I was using my hand to gauge how big I want the bottom of my gown to be.
All right, after we cut the shape of our gown, we're just gonna take this part off, and voila, we got the first part of our pretty dress. Now it's gonna be a smaller one, right?
No, a bigger one.
A bigger one, got it. Because if it's bigger, I can just put this one right on top of the bigger one.
Let me just cut one a little bit smaller. So I'm trying to use my hand to gauge. A little bit smaller.
I'm gonna use my hand to gauge too.
Really? You're such a copycat.
I know, right?
Get your own ideas.
Okay, I'm gonna use my plate to gauge.
This girl.
Oh no, I think I did too big.
Okay, so, okay, how am I gonna do this?
So it's just basically the same.
The same, but I'm trying to like lift it
Procedure.
to where it doesn't break my cake.
Yes! So it should look something like this,
something
guys.
like that. Oh my gosh, the bottom kind of broke. Yeah, let's get the other two and do the same thing.
Before we go and cut the next piece, we actually have to put icing on the middle, right?
Just
in
a
the
little
middle
bit.
to make these two pieces stick together.
So it doesn't fall.
Yeah, all right. So I'm gonna grab some icing and then I'm just gonna slather it on just like this. Hey! Ooh, s'mores. And then
Just like that. Easy like pie. Okay, now to cut our third layer.
Okay, I think
I gotta like gauge the size.
I'm nervous. Okay, I think it's this size. I'm not even sure, guys, at this point. Every single one looks the same to me.
Okay, so, oh gosh, this is like my least favorite part is to kind of,
You see the steam coming out of the cake?
yeah, it's hot. Ow! Oh my gosh, we should let it cool down a little bit. Totally. Okay, so,
In the meantime.
ta-da! Oh my gosh, the steam!
Oh my god, that's just so good.
Smells good.
All right, I think I got mine on.
Yep, mine's on too. I'm gonna put another layer of cream, and then we got our last pan, so I could do 2 more circles.
It's a little dark.
I know, I gotta figure out how big or small. How
Just
do you
eyeball it.
I'm like terrible at eyeballing it. I gotta
Oh my
make
gosh.
2 more out of here.
I mean, it's
Okay,
gonna get
so
cut
let me just-
anyways whenever we do the shape of the dome.
Yeah,
Right?
You're right.
Oh, I think I did that one a little too
Let
small.
me just
but-
use this as reference.
Really? You always need something to be used
Yes.
as reference. Oh my goodness gracious.
Okay, so this is gonna
I just
be.
noticed my cake is like lopsided. Oh my gosh.
Okay, this is gonna be the top right here. The very, very top. So I gotta cut something a little bit bigger than this right here. Oh my god. So I'm gonna use this as reference. See? There's my
mine.
references. Okay.
Oh my gosh. And
So-
oh no, that's the same size.
Oh my gosh, it's not a circle at all.
What kind of reference was that?
I was
That's
trying
horrible.
to make it bigger.
Oh.
Okay, there. Okay, perfect.
Okay, that's perfect.
That and then this. Oh, that's too small. Oh well, we're just gonna have to mess with it. Okay, kind of lopsided. All right, now I'm gonna ice it. So, oh my gosh, your top one's totally lopsided.
I know. I think I need to cut it.
I think he.
Oh wait, no, that's fine. Look, see?
Oh my goodness. I guess that works. Going to do this layer here. I'm gonna put icing here.
I will do the same.
Copycat.
I'm actually gonna do it on this cake, like this, and then pop it on, and then do it under here again, just like this. You don't really need a lot.
You
huh?
don't. You just have to make sure it like
Oh,
sticks.
sorry.
Oh, you're fine.
And ba-boom, all done. Why does this feel like it's gonna be
I'm-
a lot
I don't
taller than my
know
Barbie?
if-
I don't know.
If you're look at this.
Because mine's a lot taller than yours, right?
We both have 5 layers on, and look at this. It's like
Mine's like super poofy.
yours is like, oh, yours is one. You might not need that last layer.
I don't know. We're gonna
We'll
have
just put
to...
we'll open the Barbie and then we'll put it on there to see.
All right, so here's the Barbie, and I think it's a little high, but I don't have to push
That'd
it
be a
all
cute,
the way
like
down.
high waisted like dress.
Yeah,
That'd be
it is.
cute.
What about yours?
Mine's gonna be probably.
Yours
where's
is
her-
right at the
where's her
waist.
Okay,
Okay.
I think that'd be cute.
I think we're okay.
So now it's time to kind of make
Cut
it
the shape of the...
like a dress.
bottom?
I don't know what you're talking about.
Oh, I know it's a competition and all, but geez, you can help me out here. I'm just gonna cut at
Why did I use my butter knife to cut? It's
I
like
know.
that.
I saw that, but I didn't want to say nothing because you didn't want to say nothing. to
Rude.
me.
So rude.
You're the rude one. You're not giving me hints on how to do this. Oh my gosh, I think I have to cut this a lot smaller.
Well, I know as much as you know.
Oh my gosh.
We both only just saw that TikTok video.
I know. And guess who decided to try it?
We both did. It's because I wanted to eat cake.
Oh my goodness. I mean, this is fun.
It is
Don't be
kinda fun.
expecting this at any birthday party now.
Yeah, don't. We can't be doing this
Because
for birthday parties because
I can't do
not
this.
professional.
I know. These are like professional bakers doing it.
But I think so far we've been doing okay. Okay, this looks like the best it's going to be. And next up, we're just gonna ice it all white. This is kind of tricky because sometimes the icing gets stuck to the bread, but this is just gonna be the first layer of icing. So I think I'm gonna start here and then just work my way up.
All right, now that we're all done, it's time for the next step, which is to melt this icing in the microwave for a couple
So we're
seconds.
gonna put that on, melt the icing, and
put tie-dye in.
I'm nervous. We'll see. Okay, so we warmed it up for about 30 seconds, and it looks like this, kind of runny on purpose so that it'll run. But what she meant by tie-dye was, I'm gonna attempt to do tie-dye. I'm gonna do one purple and one teal. So I'm
gonna attempt to do one color. So
let's see if it works. Yeah, you can just do it directly in there. I gotta split mine in half.
Do like what, 2?
Be careful that you can always scoop it out. You can always scoop it out.
Oh my gosh, guys.
Oh my gosh. You know how like
red or super dark. We'll see.
We'll see.
Oh,
I hate messing with
I think we're okay. I think we're okay. It's coming out okay.
Okay, so I got teal. That's my teal. I'm gonna do purple.
Mine looks like Pepto-Bismol, the stuff you drink.
Oh my gosh, show them the color.
Look, so I added some more red. I thought it was gonna be too red, but it wasn't red enough. So I just added some more.
So let's see how my teal turns out.
Oh yay, now it's looking prettier.
Oh yeah, there we go. That's my little teal color.
I'm not gonna lie.
I'm gonna leave it kind of unmixed
kind of
on
pretty
purpose,
over there.
so it looks kind of marbly. Okay, I'm just gonna leave that like that.
Oh my gosh, that's such a pretty
and then I got
purple.
like a marbly purple. I'm not gonna mix it too much because I want the color to be like kind of mixed like that. Okay, now that our color is all mixed, time for our little hack here. I love this hack. We don't have any piping bag, but
no, we have Ziploc
bag. They're Chris's bags actually.
They don't need to know that. It's just a dancing ballerina, okay?
Okay, so you can use it as like piping bag by the corner. You just need like a little glass, like a cup is fine to put it in, or it doesn't have to be glass, but like a cup. And then you just pour your color in. So I'm gonna pour her color in for her. Oh, look how runny that is.
That's perfect.
Okay, now for mine, it's kind of tricky because I'm thinking how to do the tie-dye thing.
Yeah, I don't know how to do it either.
I think I'm gonna do like, I'm gonna pour, okay, hold on, let me make sure.
My help.
Let me see. I'm gonna pour some purple in and then some blue in, or blue and then purple and then like mix it in there. I don't know, I'm like making this up as I go along.
Oh my gosh, here.
Okay, so let's do the blue and then we're gonna do
I see what you're doing.
Purple. I don't know what I'm doing. Making this up as I
think it's
go along.
working.
You think so?
Yeah, it's layering. Can you guys see us layering? I think I can see it layering.
I don't know. We're making it up. Now we're gonna go with blue.
Oh my gosh, you're making a mess.
Hey, it's art, you know.
Excuse me, don't be flinging your turquoise icing over here on my cake, okay?
Hey, I'm trying to help you. Add
Help
character.
about what? My leaning tower?
Yeah, add character to your leaning tower. Oh my gosh.
That's so pretty.
Look.
That's so
Hopefully it works how I envision it. Okay, so next up, like she said, we gotta put this on top of our cake.
So that's how she's gonna do it. So I'm just gonna put this, like she hinted. Oh no, I have a little spot right there, but you know what, it's okay. And then I'm gonna put my pretty Barbie in the middle, just like this.
Time to put my Barbie in. She's ready to party. All right, time to put the glitter and the icing in, and hopefully this works.
Okay, and I guess it's time to put this in. Wish me luck, guys.
Okay, next we can add the glitter. Good luck.
Luck needed. Just gonna go all the way around. Oh my gosh, it looks so
Put
pretty.
a lot of glitter.
Yeah, I am. I'm gonna put the whole thing in,
Yeah,
actually.
put the whole thing in. I think you need it.
Come on, girl. Come on. There you go. Yes.
All right. Well, let's lift it and see what happens.
Oh, nervous. nervous.
Barbie, ready to party?
I think she's ready to party.
Oh!
So pretty. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh, that was a fail on my part,
But
but
the back.
looks beautiful.
Oh my gosh, the back does look beautiful.
Yes, here, just let me some on her dress.
All right, now it's my turn. Oh my gosh, I feel like my tube is just so big. Oh my gosh. Let me just clean up Barbie. Okay, now it's time for the glitter. Okay. Good luck. Wish me luck. Moment of truth. Oh my gosh, I'm nervous.
You got this.
I'm nervous.
Go fast, go fast. Oh,
Oh.
so pretty.
Well, there you go, guys. It half worked.
It half.
But I think
so
that
it
was
wasn't
user
complete.
error. I think the icing should have been more
Yeah.
runny. I don't think we microwaved it enough to like
My chunk is
make
like.
it. Oh my
Okay.
gosh, what happened to your cake? Look
I
at that!
have no clue. I
Homegirl
have no
is showing
clue.
her leg. Like,
But
look
you
at my
know
dress.
what? You know how
What?
the back looks good?
The back does look good.
What I'm gonna do is, shh, don't tell anyone, guys. Don't tell anyone.
No!
I'm going to turn her head like this, and then.
But her arm is backward.
But you don't need to show the arm as long as the front is pretty
Oh
and
my
cute.
gosh.
Do y'all think the eye passed? Does it look good?
Wait, I could probably do that. No, I can't turn because my
Look,
back
she looks
isn't
complete.
as pretty. And then she got some icing in her armpit too.
You're missing like a whole chunk right here. I have no clue what's going on over
But it does work. In case you're wondering, the TikTok hack does work. It's just user error, like we said.
It's really hard.
So y'all leave a comment below to let us know which one you guys like better.
I actually like yours.
Mine or hers. I think yours is cute too. The back is, I mean. But yeah, guys, that's the end of today's video. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up, like, and subscribe. Follow us on our TikTok and Instagram at princesssquad.official. And always remember to dream big
Have fun.
and be kind.
Bye.